My weight loss has been around 13 to 14 kgs. But I think I've lost more inches this time. So I'm able to wear all my old pants and old shirts. My sleep cycle has been great because I'm in a entrepreneurship culture. So my sleep cycle was very, very bad earlier. So it has been great. I go to bed around 10:30, max 11, and I wake up 6, very fresh, nothing, no headache, nothing at all, no baggage. My mental strength has been grown. I think my memory is better now. I have a clear vision of controlling everything throughout the day. My food habits has been great. Cravings are all gone, nothing. Also, I have learned meditation. I've learned how to calm myself in a very, very anxious situation using that EFT technique. My breathing exercise has been great. My walking, I do 10,000 very basically now. I always do more than 10,000 each single day, even when I'm tired. So earlier when I used to go office and then I used to come back, मैं badly I used to feel lethargic, but now I don't. Even coming back from office, taking 8 hours of class, whatever marathon, anything, I do my 10,000 steps very easily. I don't feel that lethargicness. And that is something which is very, very amazing. I'm more focused in general and more confident because I think that's a whole package which comes together. So according to me, this program is not just how your physical appearances changes, it's also the way you think, because it's mind, soul, and body together. How you see things, your perspective changes, your thinking changes, your body language definitely is benefited. Obviously, when you lose weight, you feel more confident. But everything happens in one package. And that one package is the step by step algorithm, like I said earlier, also. This step by step procedure, the way week by week you give tasks, give us numbers to give, all these things is a very, very well structured program. And if somebody follow this program, even to the 80% will be benefited, maybe physically, maybe mentally, or the confidence level, everything. And the best thing is that it happens in a group. So you also get aligned with a lot of people. You learn from a lot of people. The videos, the scientific logics beforehand that doctor provides, I think that is the strength of this program, because every time you know why you are doing what you are doing. Because a lot of weight losing program is all about stop eating this, do this, do this, do this exercise, do that exercise. But when you actually know the reason why you are leaving it, it's quite easy to leave it. And then the results are permanent. So, this program, I feel that whatever you are following is going to be permanent for the rest of your life. And that permanency comes from the step by step procedure that you follow week by week. So, according to me, everybody should at least give themselves this 3 to 4 months to detox not just your body but also your mind. It's a very, very scientific, logical program. So you get to learn a lot, you get to express a lot. So I think for me, this has been an incredible journey. This last 3 4 months, I think I'll definitely remember for the rest of my life. And I wish and I hope that this program grows massively. A lot of people get to know about it and the processes. I have no complaints, only praises, and a lot of gratitude to you, to Nupur ma'am, to Kuntal, and everyone from the team. You guys have been great. And I wish and I hope that this program grows and a lot of people get to know about it. I am going to definitely talk about this program every time. So now, whenever I sit with any client, whenever I sit with any team member, and they talk about what happened to you, this and that, I talk all about this program. That this happened, that happened. Doctor said do this, do that, everything. So I am all gaga about this program. So it's great. So thank you so much for this amazing journey.